Alright, welcome to my Mercedes GLE 350 and its dirty engine bay. It's the Mustache Man. We're going to do an oil change with the oil filter right here, which was covered by this forward tray. It just has some clips on it that come right out, and then after you take that off, you can change the oil filter. And the oil plugs underneath. We're going to take the oil cap off. That looks like we're going to have to get the tool on it. I bought a new tool for that. It looks like this, and that'll just go right over the top. I got the new oil filter and gasket right there. So now to go underneath. So we're underneath the car right now, and there's not much clearance, but the oil pan is underneath this pan right here. So I'm gonna have to take this floor pan off with some 10mm studs, and then we'll get to it. Right. Bottom tray is out. 8 screws with washers right there. And that was 8mm, sorry, not 10 as I thought. But that's our drain plug right there, so we're back in business. So that nut right there is going to be a 1/2 inch. There we go. Wait for that to drain, and then we'll get the oil filter done. I just dunked my O-ring in the oil, and now I'm just going to put it on. Woo. Make sure it sits in that groove nicely. Okay. Next, we're going to put our filter in. It just pushes down right here and in. Okay. Next, we're just going to put it right back on. Alright, that's the oil filter back on. Now to fill it back up with oil. Alright. Okay. Mobil 1 recommended oil for this engine. Currently, we are just shy of max. Oil change done.